What's good? What's happening? This is your man T Skills. I'm back again with another beat tutorial. This one here is going to be quick and to the point. I'm going to be making a trap melody using the key of C minor. And this is the key right here we're going to build from. Alright, so like I said, we're going to get right to it. What I did was, initially, I created my melody, the basis of my melody, foundation, right here. Very simple. And then I added a pluck to that. Three instruments is all that I use. Piano, pluck, and I'm about to bring in the flute. Okay, all three of these instruments, the piano, the pluck, and the flute, 4-bar melody created from the bass of C minor. Now, what I did after that, I took those three instruments and I combined them together and created a wave file. And this is what the melody loop sounds like with all of them added together. Okay, now what I did after that was that I wanted to bring a little bit more life to it. So what I did was I increased the BPM from 120 to 130 and I dropped the pitch down -2. And this is what I end up with. Okay, then what I did was add a very simple basic drum pattern to accompany that. And that's it. Very simple, to the point. Three instruments, piano, pluck, and a flute, all build off the bass of C minor. And then I added an 808 over the top, and I added the basses of some trap drums to go with that. Something very simple, quick to make. I hope this was informative and helped somebody out. Until next video, peace and blessings.